Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I hope you're all good, and I'm really excited today because my dad ordered a dinner set from Amazon. So we haven't unpacked it yet. That is my key, and today is my okay. So now I'm gonna go Ireland today. It's structure time. And today is the stars. And now this is my one and this is my sister's. So my sister's just gonna color the box because you can actually color the box, and I'm gonna unpack it. So let's start unpacking it. You can color the box with any color you want, and the company's name is Munchkin right here. So I'm gonna unpack it. And whoa! Oh wow! Look at these. So mine's purple. Mine's purple, and yours is pink. Yeah. Oh look, this is purple like my dress. My dress is purple too because my favorite color is purple too. Look, this is so good. And my sister's favorite color is pink, and hers is pink. And look, it's not. Yeah, and some of our dress is pink as well. It's like you. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Whoa, look, there's like a purple so there's like a purple cup. Oh, and this is like the lid. You can put it on like this. Look, this is like a lid. Look. Okay, so this is the glass. And whoa, look at this. We also have a bowl, a purple one. Cereal. Yeah, we could eat cereal in here. It's like pink. Yeah. Oh look, it's hot. I don't know what this is. It's like a plate that you could just. It's hot. Yeah. One thing. Look, you can put anything in here. So one thing in here and one thing in here and the last thing in there. And so this is everything that I have. And we have. And now my sister's gonna show you what she has. Okay, so now I will have a little help from my mom because this is like attached to the box, and we'll need a scissor for that, and scissors are dangerous for kids. So for this part, let a grown-up do this. So I'm going to cut these off and then show you my spoon, knife, and fork. So now my mom has cut our spoon, knife and fork out. So I'm just going to tell you what you can eat in all these plates. So in here you could eat some cereal. So like it's a bowl and you could eat cereal. Yeah, and my sister said that too. And it's not just pink. Yeah. And in here you could like put like the things that you want. Oh, the no! And in here you could like put water or...
I was not drink. I was soda.
Yeah, you could drink anything in this glass too.
Also juice. Look at.
Yes. So this is what you can do with... So this is what you can do with all the plates. And
what's your red rock?
yeah.
Look at my sheet.
Yes. So now we are going to color our boxes, and I'm going to show you a little bit how to color the boxes in. No, I changed my mind, but I'm going to. She's now going to show her plates. Okay. Now what would you put in here?
Yes.
Are these your fork and knife and spoon?
Yes. Let me eat my sausage.
Yeah, she's just saying that with the fork she could eat the sausage.
And it is, but it's cola.
Yep, like cereal, right?
Yes, we'll have cola. Let's drink.
Yes. And what can you do with the knife? What can you do with it? Yeah, you could cut. And what would you drink in the glass?
I will drink cola.
Yeah, you would drink some cola.
Oh.
And would you eat some cereal?
Yes.
Nice.
Is it okay?
Yeah, now
Look
so whatever we eat in these plates, I'm gonna share with you what I'm gonna eat in all these plates. So I'm gonna put all this in the side so we have some room to color. So okay, so now we're going to start coloring. So I'm going to use markers and she's just going to use crayons. Okay, so first,
do you like crayons?
I noticed that everything on here, all the pictures, that they're actually food.
Oh.
I didn't notice that before, but now I just noticed. Okay, so I'm going to color these maybe blue, like. Okay, so actually I'm going to use orange for these like volcanoes.
Oh, this is volcanoes. No, this is volcanoes.
Really fun because we could use the dishes and then color this in,
Oh,
so we
no,
don't actually have to waste the box. Yeah.
I don't know, Sheila.
Okay.
Hey, it's body.
Huh?
It's a body. It's a body's body. I like peanut.
Okay, so I've colored the volcanoes orange. So now for the inside, I'm going to use brown. So let me put this one back. And on one of the volcanoes, there's lava coming up. So,
It's what's lava? What's lava?
Yeah, it's lava.
Oh, it's round. It's orange.
That's okay. You could.
Look, it's a rainbow.
Yeah. Ouch.
Sorry.
That's it.
It's not wrong.
Color in the water. So I'm going to use light blue for the water because the water is usually like light blue.
I think it's orange.
Orange?
Yes.
Oh yeah. So my sister's coloring in the orange kind. And my dad will order this for both of us. I'm really happy, so thank you, Daddy. I love you. Say thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you too, dear.
I am really happy that I took this.
Hey, it's orange.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that later, Vania. Okay. games.
my art's ready.
Yes. So make sure whenever somebody like gets you something that you'd be really happy for, make sure that you always thank them for what they did for you.
Okay, Sheeza. Okay, Sheeza. Enough. I never give them more.
Okay, that's enough now. No. Okay, I think that's enough.
You are so Sheeza.
She used 3.
Whatever.
So right now my sister was wiping her nose because she's actually sick. She has like a flu. Her nose keeps coming out. So that's why we put the tissue there, because sometimes she needs to wipe her nose. Hi guys, today we are going to eat English breakfast. So remember last night we were doing like showing our plates. So in all of these plates we are like eating the English breakfast.
Yeah, it's a big. It's very liquid.
Yeah. Oh yes. So in here I have toast and egg.
Put an egg and bread. Okay,
This one's beans.
oh, it's here. And she's a cooker. It's pink.
Okay, so every weekend I eat this breakfast, but usually on school days I don't really eat this breakfast. I like just eat like porridge, bread, and paratha and egg. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I have in my plate today. So I have some bread that has some butter on, and I have an egg. And I have some beans too. I love to eat beans.
I eat top beans.
Yeah, and I have hash brown. I like hash brown as well. And I have some cereal in my bowl.
Oh, that's fun.
And I have some sausage too. I just like
sausage.
Oh yes, and I nearly forgot to tell you about my juice. I have some juice in my glass.
Sausage.
Do you like to eat sausage?
Yes, I like it.
What's this?
Beef.
Good. Oh, what's this?
Oh, it's fish.
No, it's hash brown.
Hash brown? What?
Yeah. And what's this?
Egg.
Do you like egg?
Yes, egg.
And what's this?
Bread.
Does it have something on it?
Yes.
What? Does it have butter?
Yes.
And what's this?
Cereal.
And what's this?
Juice.
Oh, I'm just gonna wait. Okay, so first I'm gonna eat this sausage. First I'm gonna eat this sausage with my knife and fork. Yes.
Okay, I take cereal.
Oh, she's still gonna eat the cereal first. I know, because she loves to eat cereal.
Huh? No milk. It's cheese milk. It's cheese milk.
Yeah, she doesn't have milk because she doesn't like milk with her cereal. She just leaves it when she is milk. Okay, so I really like sausage too. It's really juicy. Okay, now I'm gonna try the hash brown. Let's see.
This is a little bit.
It's lovely. Yum. Okay, now I'm nice.
Me too, Lum.
Let me try the juice now.
The wicker.
Drink it. Okay, let me just see it. Mm.
You're so funny, Sheeta.
And now, let me try the beans with no bread.
Oh no.
Mmm.
Hey, Sheeta.
Okay, so now I'm gonna eat the cereal.
I prefer fix this like
Hash brown.
hash brown. Papa, it like Sheeta. Mm.
So now we're going to enjoy our breakfast, and if you want to eat this breakfast as well, you can tell my mom, and then you can enjoy your breakfast too. Bye!